Well, hello there. Welcome to another break here from Bounty Hunter Breaks. This is Boba Fett me. And today I've got a box, blaster box that is, of the WNBA Prizm basketball. So yeah, found this at your best pals. And they didn't really have anything else. I was looking maybe for some battle plans or some Metal Universe hockey, but nope. They didn't have any of that, so we just opted for this. And they still have limits at the store, so it's not like you can get a ton of the stuff and you have to request it on top of that. So this isn't going to be a very long break. There's only 5 packs in a box, 4 cards a pack, so a whopping 20 cards for $20, so it's $1 a card. Looks like they got Aja Wilson as the cover person, and then these are some of the different inserts you can get. But again, just like everything else for Panini, you will not ever get odds. So yeah, kind of makes it tough in that regard. I'm trying to figure out how large the print run is. So let's get into it. See what the design looks like. Looks just like regular Prizm. So you start off with a Danielle Robinson for the Indiana Fever. Have a Natasha Howard for the Liberty. Got an insert here, widescreen, Brittany Griner for the Phoenix Mercury. Right? Pretty sure she's on the Mercury. Yep. And a Jasmine Thomas of the Connecticut Sun. So nothing fancy out of that pack. 4 more to go. Pack 2. Monique Billings for the Atlanta Dream. Oh, we got a silver, and it's a rookie. So there's the woman on the cover, Aja Wilson, for the Las Vegas Aces. Satu Sabali for the Dallas Wings. Of course, our Monique Billings and our Jasmine Walker for the LA Sparks. Sadly, it looks like Panini still has issues with quality of the card as far as centering goes. They still haven't figured that out. That's quite a offset to the right. So here we go, and pack 3. So we've got a green. Got a Charlie Collier for the Dallas Wings rookie. Jackie Young for the Las Vegas Aces. I don't know if that's Chini Ogwumike for the Sparks. I am sure I really hacked that. And our green, Brittany Griner. Now that's a cool looking card. I will give him that. Just because of the background and stuff, it really pops with that green. But not numbered. Here we go, pack 4. See if we can get anything out of this box. Looks like we got another green. Started off this pack with a Natasha Cloud for the Washington Mystics. Maisha Hines-Allen for the Mystics. A rookie of Renaya Davis, like I say, for the Minnesota Lynx. And our green insert for the Aces, Liz Cambridge, or not Cambridge, Liz Cambage, I'm not sure how she pronounces her last name, but far out. So here we are, fifth and final pack. Brianne January of the Connecticut Sun. I want to say Nanike. That's like the same last name as that other. Are they sisters? Are they twins? Because they both play for the Sparks. I wonder if those are twins. I'm going to have to check that out. Kayla Thornton for the Dallas Wings. And our last one is a Fearless of Nanike. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Not a whole lot to look at in a blaster for sure. Makes a quick break with only 5 packs. So here we are. We got the Far Out. Got the Brittany Griner, green Prizm. A Jasmine Walker, silver. Brittany Griner, widescreen. And then the Fearless insert. So yeah, that concludes this break of 2021 WNBA Prizm Basketball. So hope everybody has a great rest of your day, and as always, keep collecting.